Alright, so what's up? And I guess I'm just gonna do a brief overview of my supercomputer that I've been building. So basically what I've been working on recently has been kind of like a cluster computer. So, or I guess what it also is can be referred to as parallel computing, which is basically when multiple computers are connected on the same network and they're running in unison. So right now I just have two computers set up for this. This one right here, this is the master, and then that's gonna be my first node. I have I know I'm gonna connect this one. I might end up connecting all of these. I'm not sure. I know I'm gonna end up this Core Duo. I think this is a Pentium. I have another i3. Shoot, I have another. Oh, I think the other i3 is right there. Those are definitely gonna get connected. So for now, and then I have two other drives that I've wiped that I'm going to be using. And I'm hoping to be using this fan because I'm a little bit concerned about this stuff overheating at the moment. So this right here, this is our master computer, and so this is all right spec wise, I guess. i5, 8 GB of RAM. I have to use neither one of these have network cards in them, so this one I have just USB adapter, and then I have another USB adapter in this one. This one, the adapter is way better. I think this one can have 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, as this one's only 2.5. So yeah, there's that. And then this one though, this is only an i3, 8 GB RAM, whatever. They're connected, so of course their processing power is technically combined. So it's really not that important. So basically how I did this is I used the MPI kind of library, and basically what that does is it is used to connect across several processors, and then I also set up an NFS file system on these. So, oh, I guess I should start. So, this is running Ubuntu, and then one of these is running the So this monitor right here is actually hooked up to this computer. I'm not really using it at the moment. This computer just needs to be on. It doesn't need to be hooked up to the monitor. So remote, I remoted into this computer using Secure Shell, and I just use the IP for that. And then I pretty much just, from here, I installed all the libraries that I needed. And then, yeah, as you can tell, I had to install a bunch of stuff. Yep. So that's that. So basically, I can just show you, I guess, a little bit about my file directory on here. Just ls. List all the files. So the host file, right, or the machine file, these are what have, I can actually go into that right now. So this is the list. I just dropped my mouse. So this is the list of computers that I have right now. Myra. So the reason that there's 4 cores, so both of these computers have quad core processors. So I guess I could have gone over this. This terminal right here for Myra, this is like the master computer technically, and then this one right here, this terminal right here that says node 1, that one is like that's technically the client computer. So this has this has the NFS server client running on it, as opposed to the other one has this one has the master. So yeah, you can see that there. And basically both of these also have, they have the same directory, machine file, yeah. So both of these have the same NFS directory, which is mirrored. Alright, so then I guess you probably are gonna want to see, I guess I can run over the code a little bit. This I just, this is, yep. This is just it right here. I I kind of just wrote it in Notepad and then copied and pasted it into Vim when I created a file. I just like to use Notepad better than copy and paste. I really don't have a reason. So this is just like a super simple program to make sure that this is working. This is written in C. I've been experimenting a little bit with C recently. So as you can see, this I just modified a little bit from a program that I found online from the MPI documentation, and I gotta say the MPI tutorials, they laid out everything really nicely. They just had like a Git library to clone, which I didn't clone it, but I did look at it and it was very helpful, and they had a nice tutorial for just kind of like walking you through setting this up. So I highly recommend that. Oh yeah, so basically what this is doing is it's getting the it's printing out hello from the processor, and then it's getting this isn't in order, that's just kind of how it works, but it's getting each rank, it's getting the number and then the rank of the processor. And then at the end, just MPI finalize, that pretty much ends it. And this is int main, waiting for it to, yep. So, it's about that. And so I guess I can just run this and show you how it works. So again, this is just, I have a lot of machine learning models that I'm definitely going to be running, because I have been using Google Colab for that GPU acceleration, but I'm definitely excited for this. So this right here, this is the library that I'm using for this, and then this is the name of the program this is the program that I'm compiling, and then that is the name of the program that I'm compiling. And depending on how familiar you are with C, this right here is just the general syntax for compiling a program. And then this right here, I'm just going to copy and paste it. This right here is for executing the program. And then there we go, it's running. So you can see that both of my computers are working. So 4 of these processors, or yeah, technically 4 of these are from one computer, and then 4 from the other one, because they're each quad-core processors. Now, if I were to run something with like 2 cores, so like Core 2, like right here I have the Core 2 Duo computer, so if I decide to add this to my cluster, then instead of like if I were to add this one, then instead of being out of 8, it would be out of 10, because this one has 4, that one has 4, and then plus 2, 8, 2, 10. Yep. Alright, so that's about it, and thank you for looking at my, I guess, just little basic supercomputer.